Hello everyone, welcome to EZI tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use cash on delivery. First, choose the customer address with the right pickup address. Then move on to the next. Make sure to indicate the right total package value that the driver needs to collect and also the content that he needs to deliver. Once it's done, click next. You must select the standard COD and the 3% of the total package value will be collected as the service charge. Make sure to read the terms and condition and package guideline. Then select pickup date and pickup time and indicate the delivery instruction. It will be shown on the label, so don't worry about it. Be specific up to 100 words. Now scroll up and check all the details of your order. Once done, confirm it. Now you're gonna see the label and you must print the label for COD service. So ensure to check the addresses and the total amount that the driver needs to pick up. Also the instructions that you have indicated. Once done, click done and now you're ready to ship.